Hey everybody, welcome back to this channel. In this video I am going to do curry chicken wings. These are the chicken wings. Please excuse the sunlight. So what I'm going to do first is to remove the fats from the chicken wings. I really don't need the fats. And I am also gonna remove the skin, at least what I can get off, because I do not like skin on chicken unless I am jerking, baking, or deep frying. Other from that, I remove the skin. So I am gonna remove this little piece right here that they call it. I don't want this to use. So I am gonna cut it right here in the joint on this piece of fat, or not fat, skin. Right here I am gonna remove it as well. So I am gonna let this stay. I think it is okay. Just gonna give it a cut. Chop right here because it is curry and the meat or the chicken should be like cut into small pieces. So this is what I'm gonna do, right? And this piece right here, I am gonna remove the skin as much as possible. And it look like this. Then I am gonna go like this and give it a cut right here. So I'm gonna continue doing that until it is finished. So I'm gonna use some fresh herbs. This is 2 stalks scallion, 1 onion, 2 hot peppers. This one is for eat, this one is for flavor. So the green one is for flavor and the red one is for eat. 2 cloves garlic, piece of fresh thyme, and this is a small piece of ginger root. So when you put ginger in curry, it really turns up the taste. So I roughly chop all the fresh herbs except for the garlic. I am gonna put the garlic into this little thing right here and squeeze it out on the food so that they eat the garlic, because they don't like garlic. And whenever time I cut it, like me cut it up, like chunk it, then pick it out of them food and then I eat it. So I go squeeze out it on them food. Yes. So they have to eat it. Watch me and them. Wee. Alright, so you might be wondering, where is the pimento seeds? Alright, listen to this. I don't like to put pimento seeds in my curry chicken. Reason being, the chicken easily, whether chicken wings, chicken whatever, I just call it chicken, but you don't know, say I am using chicken wings, right? Alright, listen. Chicken easily absorb flavors, and the curry itself is a aromatic herb, as they call it. So it is strong. So I don't use a lot of spices when I'm doing curry chicken, because it will overpower the taste of the chicken. Because you want to eat the curry, but you want it to be like light. You don't want it heavy, right? So when you use too many spices, especially spices that have strong flavors, then it tends to overpower the chicken. So the pimento now, the pimento has a very strong spicy flavor. So the pimento along with the curry and the spices, I think that is too much for the chicken. So I don't use the pimento. I use pimento like when I'm doing goat's meat, because you know goat's meat is game meat, so it is much more stronger and takes a longer time to absorb all that flavors, but the chicken easily absorbs flavors, so I don't want to put too many spices or whatnot not on it, because I don't want it to taste overpowering when you're eating it. I just want it to be light and nice. And but if you want, you can use pimento seed. It's all up to you. And remember that what we call pimento seeds in Jamaica is what you call allspice overseas. Okay people, so now I am gonna season the chicken wings. Salt. It's about ½ teaspoon of salt. Black pepper. ½ teaspoon. That is ground black pepper. All purpose. And you don't know, so I'm using my trusting friend, this brand right here. And this is chicken flavor with the same brand, right? So far I use salt, black pepper, chicken flavor, all purpose. I'm gonna put some, about let's say ½ teaspoon of basil. This is dry herbs or dry herb. And that's it, right? I'm just gonna rub in the spices and the dry herb as well as the salt. If you want, you can wear gloves. I'm not wearing any gloves. So I am using 2 different types of curry. I am using this one and also this one. This one smells so good. So I combine both curries into this container, right? So I'm gonna put about a tablespoon on the meat right now, and I am not gonna put my hands into the curry. I don't have to rub it in and scrub it in into the meat. No, I don't find that really necessary, to tell you the honest truth. I can just use a spoon and that's good enough. I don't need to knead it as if I'm kneading dough. No need to do that. There's absolutely no need. So I'm gonna put around 1 teaspoon. So that's 1 tablespoon first, and now it is 1 teaspoon because I am gonna burn some, but about a teaspoon. I want more curry to be on the meat right now. Then I'm gonna burn like 1 teaspoon. Burning curry is very important to me. If I eat the curry meat and I burn it, I am going to vomit and have diarrhea and sick. So let me tell you that straight up. That's why I cannot buy curry dishes at a restaurant or a cook shop or anything like that. I cannot eat curry from people. I am gonna vomit and have diarrhea and sick because a lot of people do not burn their curries, and a lot of people use different types of curries as well. And all of the curry them agree with me. I can't use certain curry. Sick me, right? So that is good enough. Rubbing well good enough. There's no need to put my hands in it and knead it like me I knead dough. So now I am gonna add the fresh herbs, but I'm gonna put the garlic first. So I squeeze out it like this. Yes, man. When we do it like this, you know, they will have to eat it. See it there? Make them pick out, you know, no? They cannot pick it out. Because them cannot find it to pick it out. They will have to eat it. Yes. So that's the garlic. They are going to eat garlic. Yes. So now I am gonna add the herbs. And if you notice in the curry goat recipe, I season the curry goat with fresh herbs, and then I reserve some until the curry goat is partially cooked. I put the rest. Okay, so there is no need for me to do that when I'm cooking curry chicken, because curry chicken does not take a long time to cook. So I only do that to meat that takes like 1 hour to cook, or probably more than an hour to cook, like the oxtail. I did that in the oxtail recipe as well. Right, so with the curry chicken, there's no need for me to do that. So I just put the fresh herbs, and that's it. No more fresh herbs will be added to it. So now I am gonna cook it right away. I do not have the time for it. So this is a pot on very low heat. Put it on low heat first, right? And that is about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And you must know by now, so vegetable oil is my favorite oil. So I'm gonna add about, this is about a teaspoon of curry. And I am going to allow that to burn. We call it burn the curry in Jamaica. Right, and this is very important to me. However, I am not going to burn it until it becomes very dark. Right, so I'm going to put the meat into the chicken wings into the pot. That is the time packing. So you see what I'm going to do now. The heat is on low. This is very important. I am going to cover the pot. And I am going to allow the chicken wings to spring water, as we say in Jamaica. That is to make its own juice and to cook in that juice. When the chicken wings are cooking in its own juice, that's when the flavor and everything are coming together. So this step is very important. This is the flavor making process. So no water is added as yet, right? So I'm gonna allow it to cook in its own juice until it begins to fry. Let's have a look at the curry wings. It has been cooking in its own juice for the past 5 minutes. So now I am gonna add some water. So I'm gonna put enough water to cover the wings. I think this water is enough because it is chicken, right? There's no need to add a lot of water. Chicken is easily cooked. That amount of water can cook the chicken. I am gonna cover the pot and I am gonna allow it to cook. I am gonna put the heat is now on low. Remember, I put it on low, right? So now I am gonna put it on medium. Let's have a look at the wings. No, it depends on the amount of. So this is my curry chicken wings. I am gonna have this with boiled ripe plantain as well as boiled green bananas and probably one dumpling. This is my dinner. And it's a very big dinner because I'm really hungry. And it is early enough. Curry chicken wings. I am really hungry. The food is so nice. This is the dumpling. Ripe plantain. And I already ate the bananas because it wasn't a lot of bananas.